Welcome to Mastering the Grid, a guide to calculating your home's energy use. We'll show you how to move from passive payment to active energy management. Utility bills look complex due to jargon and taxes, but the underlying engine is simple. Energy calculation is essentially multiplication, not magic. The atomic unit of energy is the kilowatt hour, or kWh. This measures the volume of power used over time. 1,000 watts used for 1 hour equals 1 unit, or 1 kilowatt hour. The single equation that drives the grid is kilowatt hours equals watts times hours divided by 1,000. You only need 2 data points, power in wattage and time in usage. Let's analyze a standard ceiling fan. At 75 watts used for 8 hours a day, the calculation is 75 times 8 divided by 1,000, which equals 0.6 units per day. To scale this daily usage to a month, multiply the daily units by 30 days. For the fan, 0.6 units times 30 days results in 18 units per month. In a scenario like a student bedroom, aggregating the load of multiple devices gives a total. For example, a fan, laptop, LED bulb, and charger sum up to approximately 30.45 units per month. The energy landscape categorizes devices into sippers, like LED bulbs and chargers, standards like TVs and refrigerators, and guzzlers, such as ACs and microwaves. The inventory method for whole house estimation involves 6 steps. List devices, write down wattage, estimate hours, calculate daily usage, multiply by 30, and sum the total. The verification method, reading the meter, is the most accurate. Subtract the previous meter reading from the current one to find the total units used, with no estimation required. Reality often differs due to factors like cycling appliances, standby mode, and fan speed settings. Your manual calculation should be seen as a guide, not a precise law. If your bill is high, check these heavy hitters first: air conditioners, water heaters, refrigerators, induction stoves, and iron boxes. Do not blame the LED bulbs. The final step is converting energy usage into currency. Multiply the total units consumed by the rate per unit to get the financial cost. For example, 300 units at 7 per unit equals 2,100. For a quick estimate, use the 5-second student shortcut. Monthly units approximately equal watts times hours times 30 divided by 1,000. This is helpful for mental math. The rhythm of calculation is simple. 1. Multiply watts by hours. 2. Divide by 1,000. And 3. Scale by 30. You can now predict, save, and master your energy usage.